Market risk management framework. Market risk management involves finding solutions to what are risks, how can we control, what is the quantum, can we reduce the risk extra. First one is risk identification. All products and transactions should be analyzed for risk associated with them. Approach to deal in standard and non-standard products differs. Second one is risk management. The market risk measures seek to capture variations in market value arising out of uncertainties associated with various risk elements. Market risk measurement is based on sensitivity and downside potential. Sensitivity. It captures deviation of market price due to unit movement of a single parameter. Basis point value. This is the change in value due to 1 basis point change in market yield. Duration. Describing a bond's price sensitivity to yield change within a single number. Downside potential. It captures possible losses ignoring profit potential. Backtesting. It is a process where model-based VAR is compared with the actual performance of the portfolio. Stress testing. Market value of a portfolio varies with stress testing techniques. It covers many different techniques. Simple sensitivity test. It isolates the short-term impact on a portfolio value. Scenario analysis. It specifies the shocks that might plausibly affect a large number of market with risk factors. Maximum loss. It assesses the risk of a portfolio by identifying the market most potential damaging combination of moves of market risk factors. Extreme value theory. It is better captures the risk of loss in extreme but possible circumstances. Third one is risk monitoring and control. It calls for implementation of risk and business policies simultaneously. It consists of setting market risk limits or controlling market risk based economic measures of risk while ensuring best risk-rated return. Limits and triggers. Approved market risk limits for factor sensitivities and value at risk is based on unit capacities and capability to perform within those limits, effectiveness of control and trading revenues. Risk monitoring. Risk monitoring is a process to ensure that all transactions are executed and revalued at prevailing market rates. Risk reporting. Risk report should enhance risk communication across different levels of the bank from trading desk to the CEO. The risk reporting should be regular in written, reasonably accurate, highlight portfolio risk concentration, include written commentary and concise. Fifth one is managing trading liquidity. Risk of trading liquidity is managed by avoiding large market share, infrequently traded instruments, instruments with unusual tenors, one-sided liquidity in the market. Sixth one is risk mitigation. It arises due to volatility of financial instruments. The reduction in market risk is achieved by adopting strategies that eliminate or reduce the volatility of the portfolio. There are three types of risk mitigation strategies. They are strategies using sensitivity measures, strategies using correlation measures, strategies using market instruments.